Tyler's morbid obsession, the phobia of being buried alive.
This is a story.
Don't think I want to watch that. Okay. All right. Tyler, this video is for you. I don't know where to start. By the way, I went through this and I got 2 of these. Well, I got 3, but I got 2 when I first was there. One of the guys that had these, he I don't know, he accidentally left it on the shelf, so I was like, all right, I'll take another one. But that was 3-4 hours later, after I was done hanging out with Bob Ferry and Eddie. I don't know where to start, to be honest with you. I really don't. Here, I'll start when I went back to the store. How's that? I went to go. Bob said something about he needed Chronicles blaster boxes, and I said, "Oh my God, there was 7 of them. I took 2. I left 5 there." And I said there was like a dozen Diamond King hanger boxes. I said I took, I think, 2 of those, and I left like 10 there. I said, and I left 2 Series 2 Upper Deck hockey tins. I bought so many of them. I was like, it was funny. I got there and a guy kept saying, "Oh, I want to get Upper Deck hockey," and I'm like, "Do you want to get Upper Deck blasters, hangers, mega box? Do you want to get a hobby box?" I said, "Do you want tins? What are you looking for?" He's like, "Oh, you could never get tins." I go, "Are you kidding me?" I said, "I've bought tins like every week for the last like 4 or 5 weeks." I said, "I got to stop buying them." I said, "I bought so many of them, it's ridiculous." So anyways, sorry. I'll start off with what I got. I bought Bob Ferry 2 of these. He's probably going to say, "Oh, I don't want them." I don't know. I mean, I love the guy. He's such a good guy. So whether he wants them or not, I'm giving them to him. Either that, or maybe I'll do breaks, and then whatever I make off of them, I'll buy stuff off of him if he doesn't want to take them. But he's such a good guy, he probably wouldn't even want to take them. All right, that was the one that I was just telling you about. The guy that loves Bowman. Maybe he accidentally took. He wanted 10 of them, so they gave him 10, and we all split the rest of them up between us. So I don't know if he had too many and he put one down, or it was weird. We evened up in this. We got everything in the shopping cart and went back into like a clothing section and started divvying them up. So it was weird, but it was great because I got a lot of. I mean, there's a couple guys that got like 4 mega boxes, and most everyone else got 3. But honestly, I didn't care. I really didn't care. Okay, because the one guy wanted baseball. He's like, "Hey, you could have my mega boxes," and I'm like, "What?" So instead of having like 7 guys, there was only 6 guys grabbing megas. So I don't care though. I did so good. I kept saying to the guy, well, the young kid that was running, like sort of running, and I was like, I kept going. It's like, this is awesome. I mean, a couple guys were bitching that they took extra megas, but as long as I got a mega of each, I kept saying, if I could just get 1 of each, I'll be happy. Happy. All right. So 4 of those, 4 of the Diamond King blasters, 4 of the Diamond King hangers, and a Bowman, the 2021 Bowman, which are beautiful. I just opened 2 packs over the weekend. They're beautiful. They are such beautiful cards. Oh my God, I love them. My buddy Frankie Mettello, he said, "Oh, you got to get these Bowmans." He sent me up to Taylor to grab some Bowman packs. Thank you, Frankie. Thank Frank. All right, so I'm going to speed through this. We only got 10 minutes, a little bit under 10 minutes to go. All right. First time I was there when we divvied stuff up. Bowman, Blaster, Chronicles Blaster. This is funny. I saw these. I love them. I thought they were so cool. They are Soccer's tins, and they were cheap. They're only like $9 or something. And it says, Topps Match Attacks Extra. Topps Tins Season 2020-2021. Super Skills Stars. And I've never seen, this must be brand new. Manufactured under license by Topps Europe Limited. 18 Vincent Avenue, Crown Hill, Milton Keynes. Oh, MKAOAW, UK. That's what they do up in Canada with those goofy letters and symbol things for zip codes. 59 cards plus one limited edition. I don't know, but these things are so cool looking. I took them, like everyone was grabbing stuff they wanted to divvy up, and I grabbed 2 of these, and I go, here, and I went to put them into the cart, and the guy goes, get them the F out of here. I'm like, what? He's like, no one wants those. I'm like, okay. So I like hid them up on the shelf, and I had to go back and get them after I got done at Hometown. All right, that's the second box of those, and then a Blaster Box Chronicles. These Chronicles look sweet. 2020 NFL. So Chronicles are just coming out with their 2020. And then I got a Blaster Box of Diamond Kings as well. I think I only got one of those. I might have gotten 2. I don't remember. But yeah. Oh, you know what? I see some tins over there. Whoops. Same thing. Wow. Stuff is falling. My Diamond Kings, my Diamond King Blaster fell. And here's that other Bowman Blaster. Yes, 3 Bowman Blasters. Oh my God. Chronicles Blaster. Bowman Blaster. I mean, phenomenal. I'm just phenomenal. Oh, I don't know what this is. Oh, that's stuff that I got. I showed you this stuff in a different video. Excuse me. Oh, okay. This is when I went back. The ones that I put up on the shelf and they told me to get them the F out of there. Yeah. So I think I got like 6 of these. No one wanted them. I was like, really? 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 Wow. All they really wanted was those Megas and those Blasters. That's about it. Oh, here's something else they didn't want. I never saw them before. So I said, they didn't even want them. I was saving this for last. But I grabbed the box. So I don't know what they are. They're called 2021 NHL Star Rookies box set. And I got 5 of them. There. I'm not going to take them all out and waste time. See, it's a whole bag full. There's 5 of them. And the Tyler Special was in there too. Tyler's going to see this. He's going to be like, you jerk. And Tyler Special. I was saving that for last, but I accidentally grabbed it. Once I pulled it up, I wasn't putting it back. This is the receipt. All right. Oh, yeah. All right. Opening day hanger. There was like a ton of these too, and I was grabbing so much stuff. I said, I think there was like 8 of these, and I said, I'll just take one because I've bought these before, so it's not a big deal. I've bought them before. All right. Anyway, Jeez. Enough of the nonsense. Alright, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4. First I thought I had 2, and then I saw 4, and I'm like, did I get 5? And I'm like, I don't care. I'd have been happy with 2. I got 4. I think they're the premium stock NBA hoops. 15 cards inside. Find 3 exclusive laser prisms. Bonus pack. Yep, it's NBA hoops premium stock. This stuff is awesome. I don't know. It says it here somewhere, but this thing is like shiny. Oh, there it is right there. You can't see it. Oh, there it is right there. You can see it. I hate this stupid camera. See it right? God. Right there. Premium stock. Looks like it says Prism stock. I'd take some Prism. Alright, so 4-pack of premium stock. When I went back later, they still had, I left about 20 packs there. There was 2 left. I was like, I'll take them. If you don't want them, I'll take them. So I took 2 packs of Series 1 hoops. This is the only thing that I was disappointed in. Everyone was grabbing multiple of these. One of them flew out of the shopping cart, went on the floor, and instead of like divvying them up 2, one guy grabbed it and took 3. And I'm like, yo, can I get 2? And like the one guy's like, oh, don't be arguing. And I'm like, he has 3, I have 1. And you know what? I got so many good things. I didn't care, but that sort of bothered me because you don't do that. You shouldn't do something like that. And he's like, oh, we'll hit the floor. The cards are probably bent. I'll take it. I'll keep it. Yeah, whatever. That's the only thing that sort of irked me. Then I have dun, 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 dun. I don't know if these are called hanger packs because they were hanging. Like those cello packs in the Prism, that was hanging. So I've gotten a ton of those cello Prisms, but I know they're sweet, so it's always nice to get one more. But 5 packs of Chronicles football exclusive. Look for Omega rookies. You get Omegas in here. That's good. Hardly have anything left. Good, we got a couple more minutes. Okay. I'm doing the coup de grace. Chronicles Mega. They put out so many Mega and so many Chronicles. It was ridiculous. I thought they were all blaster boxes, and someone said no. They got Chronicles Fat Packs, Chronicle Cello Packs, Chronicle Blaster Boxes, Chronicle Hanger Boxes, Chronicle Mega Boxes, but they didn't have any Chronicle Hanger Boxes. And they didn't have any cellos. All they had are those Fat Packs, the Blaster Boxes, and the Mega. I don't know which to show. This is the first thing the guy stocked, and everyone went. Target, the last time they sold cards, I missed out on this by about 5 people. This is a Select 2020 Mega Box. It was like $29 at Target. It was $44.98, and I don't care. I'll pay that any day. You find 10 Mega Box exclusive Red Prism die cuts. Sweet. All right. And to top it off, oh my God, not that I care, but no wonder why they gave me. I think they kept shoving this one at me. It's all smashed, but who cares? It's a box of Mega Box Prism basketball. Someone told me this thing's like $350. 10 Mega Box exclusive pink ice prisms. Yeah. And saving the best for last. At least Tyler would think so. Right, Tyler? Dun, 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 dun. The video is going to go out in 16 seconds. Dun, 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 dun. I saw them open this up in a parking lot. If Sports. Ian. That was funny, Ian. That was a great video.